How to fix ReadyBoost is not enabled because the computer is fast enough. Hey everyone, if you guys are facing this error, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix it. So if you are trying to turn on ReadyBoost for your drive or any of your volume disks, and you're facing this issue, this might be because your computer is already fast enough. So you need to understand what this is for. So Ready Boost basically means that if you turn this on, it will boost up your computer's performance if you have a low-end PC. So if you have an SSD instead of hard drive or a RAM greater than 4 GB, then you don't need to turn this on, or even if you do turn this on, there won't be any significant changes that you can notice. So in order to fix this, what you can do is first open up this PC. Once you open it up, go to the drive where you want to turn on ReadyBoost, and you're going to have to right click on it, go to its properties. Then from here, you'll find hardware. So if you see ReadyBoost option here, you could just go there. Or if you don't have it, you can check previous versions of the drive. I'm just going to go directly to hardware and find the hardware here. Go to properties. And then from here, make sure that you stay in the general tab and then click on change settings. Now this pop-up will appear on your screen. All you have to do is go to driver and then update driver. Browse my computer for drivers and let me pick from a list of available drivers. Now select the disk drive, which is at top, and then click on next. It will automatically install the drivers and update it for you. Just close this out and then you can restart your PC now or later. Just go ahead and close everything out, and then you can try to restart your PC. You should be good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.